How to fix unable to activate eSIM on iPhone. If you are having trouble activating an eSIM on your iPhone, it may be due to courier issues, device settings, or connectivity problems. This video is a short guide to help you out with this issue. The very first thing you can do is simply launch your settings on your device. From there, go to the General and tap on Shutdown and slide it to Power Off. Sometimes this small step can often clear minor issues. Once your phone restarts, check if your problem has been solved or not. If your problem is still there, then you have to reset your network settings. For that, simply launch your settings. There you will see General option, tap on it. Scroll down to the last, there you will see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it and do Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and your network settings will be resetted. After you are done with this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.